working with our power of active devotion, and this allows us the power of destroying obstacles, alright guys? And you see that pot, it's very symbolic of an urn, okay? And healing from what is being burnt away, as well as healing from the fear of death. This is the time we're in. And Pisces season is going to allow us to free this. We're going to massively heal from fear. We're going to massively heal from the fear of death. And we're just going to honor our lives and through the present moment. And we're just going to honor our paths. This is being able to massively honor our path. And this is high vibe. Remember, this doesn't mean that we're not going to experience pain when someone crosses over. But this is about being able to use that pain and transmute it in a high vibe way, and also connect to the loved ones that we have lost through the rainbow bridge, and know that we're always connected. And this has to do with anything more than our energy. We're really activating our light bodies on a whole new level, and that's what this is about. And when we expand our energy, we are able to connect. And we're also in alchemy with, you know, other energies on different levels. And this is just being able to free ourselves from our Nine of Swords situations, guys. It's time. We're ending fear at a whole new level. And this allows us to create that Two of Cups love. We're using our Merkabahs. Okay, now guys, this is the thing. We're amping up our light bodies, okay? We're having DNA activations that are amping up our light bodies, because remember, when we do all these things, we are actively transforming our DNA with our DNA, okay? And this is our connection to Pisces season. Neptune is working with Pisces, and we're going to create with high vibe fantasies, but we are dipping our toes in reality right now. And this is allowing us to heal from the old templates of what has been done between the masculine and feminine. The masculine was deceived and the feminine was deceived, and we caused a lot of pain between each other because we were disconnected. We were not working together properly. Remember, this has been an inverted world. That's what this hack has done. It's twisted it, but we're untwisting it, and we're doing this through love. Okay, we're holding the line with love, and we're gonna take a piece out of this high vibe playbook that's being played out right now, and we're gonna hold the line with love, okay? And that has to do with our inner authority. We are coming together in a high vibe way because we untwisted it, okay? This is working with the divine. This is working with natural patterning, because we're restoring justice through healing from corruption. And that's why we're massively working with the masculine right now, because the masculine is connected to the structure and healing from tyranny, okay? So we're building with the masculine with new structure. The masculine's been activated through what's been happening without in our world, and is seeing, you know what, I need to work with my feminine. I need to work with my feminine within, and I need to work with the I need to work with the feminine without, and I need to untwist it, and I need to heal from corruption, and I need to build anew. So I need to be able to put the pieces of the puzzle together, and part of that is being able to work with the feminine, connect to the void, and create anew. And this is activated Metatron's cube, okay? And with Metatron's cube, that's what we're doing. We've activated the proper patterning here to be able to do this. All right, we're working with life. We're working in symbiosis with life. We're working with this active expansion that we came here to work with. And it's being able to creatively tell our truths. That's part of restoring justice here. We're gonna tell our truths in a high vibe way, and it's going to be creative. And this is going to allow us to connect with the Three of Cups. And guys, that Three of Cups reading is coming. I promise you, I've been working on it since December. It's a massive message. Please stay tuned and join in when it's aired, because it's going to really be able to break down and explain what's been happening. But this is where we heal from gluttony, and gluttony is connected to greed, and gluttony is connected to overconsumption. And we're over-consuming because we're not living the way we were intended to live, because we've been living with this artificial hack of the matrix in an inverted world. But we're untwisting it, and we're living in symbiosis more and more every day, and we are creating with love. And this is unconditional high vibe love that has boundaries, and that's what allows it to be protected and so high vibe. And it's being able to just drastically accept your path and go where you're feeling called to go. It's being able to also allow yourself these experiences. If the lower vibrational experiences that you experienced with love are the creation of you, and being able to understand this, and being not holding on to your victim template any longer, but being able to use your victim template to create anew, to understand everything I didn't resonate with allowed me to be who I came here to be, and all that pain allows me to connect with somebody else on the path and untwist it and heal with the collective, heal for the collective. Mission work. We're strong enough within, guys, and we're finding the strength within to do so. And we understand all this freaking trickery where we've been tricked with all these tricks from the matrix. That's how we're seeing how to untwist it through the energy of the opposites. And that's what twin flames are. This is the energy of the opposites coming together to restore connection and create anew. And Pisces is activating this. So we're just going to go where we need to go. We're going to go where we need to go. Remember, Metatron's cube is here to restore motion and ease tension. And this is connected to our dependability and being able to heal what has happened to us on a twin flame path. So if a lot of people have been connected to people, whether this is your twin flame or not, what was the experience? And this is not saying, oh, this is my counterpart, so I'm going to stay in an abusive, lower vibrational relationship. No, this is being able to let it go and be able to manifest your counterpart back in the most high vibe way through your electromagnetic field with your heart, and being able to say, you know what, I'm gonna work on mission. I'm gonna switch gears here. I'm not gonna laser focus on romance and the fact that I'm alone. I'm gonna laser focus on what I need to heal from, going from loneliness to solitude. And what is this solitude teaching me? What is separation teaching me? What am I learning here? And how can I laser focus on the mission? And how can I be there for life? How can I be there for myself? How can I expand my gifts? And to remember too, you know what, through the energy of the opposites, these are the best times of your life too, whether you're with someone or not. This is the story of you. And this is the story of the mission of us coming here, being a member of the 144. And yeah, we came here to heal and repair with life. And all of this stuff that we're going through is making us stronger, and it's fuel. It's the scarab beetle spirit. It's fuel to help us to get to where we're going, and we're using it all. We're using all of this for our transformations. We're becoming whole. We're not afraid of the negative. We're not afraid of fear. We're not afraid of death. We're not afraid of this hack. They're literally can laugh and just say, thank you for showing this to me, so I understand everything what I didn't want to be, everything what I don't want to be creating with, so I can create anew for the future, for the children, for the next 7 generations plus. And this is what is allowing us to heal from where we've been unsupported. And this is where we're going, guys. We got to untwist the programming of old Earth, we're just going, all of our dreams are coming true, and we're just going to these high vibe places. Yes, all of our dreams are coming true, but we're going to where we need help, so that we can help to show the way to create anew. But we have to do this from within to without. We're not going in, in lower vibrational, bossing people around. No, we're being the change that we need to see in the world. We've activated that here. We've become dependable because we've restored connection from within. And as within, so without. As above, so below. Guys, we got to finish off the mission. So we are activating patterns of commitment with dependability and divine love. High vibe love. And this is connected to the mysteries of life, and that's why we're activating this within Pisces. Because we need to wonder again. We need to dream again. We need to access those high vibes, you know? Your soul needs shooting stars, not neon lights. Wander in the mystery of life and wonder at it. Do it regularly. And what this is doing is allowing us, don't get lost in this 3G matrix being ripped apart. Don't go back to feeding in fear and feeding in, oh my goodness, we're losing, it's all coming apart. No, we're winning, and we're winning from within to without, and we're strong enough to be here. We matter, guys. We literally matter. We are the matter that's shifting it. We're feeding these high vibed, healed, repaired templates into the grid with Mother Earth so we can feed from the light. And this is the secret, the unknown mysteries and wonders. And that's allowing us to open like the lotus. We're going to flower, spirit, revelation, and maturity. And guys, we're stepping into our maturity here. And that's why we're being, committed into commitments. Because we're stepping into our maturity. As well as in spring. Spring is here. It's our time. It's our time to start flowering. And remember, when we create with the patterning of the lotus, it's been created with the lower world, the upper world through the center point. So we're in a massive time of trust. And this is connected to from the Patch Tarot, and we just received this message a few messages ago from the King of Cups, and we're going to expand with the crustacean. And remember, when that crustacean molts from its shell, it's painful and it needs to go have a rest while its shell hardens and be in with the feminine. Remember, the feminine is rest and time for intimacy. We need to trust, and by the full moon, something's going to change. By the full moon, sorry guys, let me get it straight. By the new moon in Pisces, we know we're in Pisces. The sun has entered Pisces. When we have the new moon in Pisces, something's going to be activated, okay? And this is high vibes, so we need to trust because there's an opportunity. It's going to be an opportunity, okay? And this has to do with death, metamorphosis from the lower world to the upper world through the middle world. The release of what's lower vibrational. And that's part of our mission work right now, guys. We got to break up some of this dense energy that's been created from, the collapse of the artificial matrix on a whole new level. And this is what is showing us the way. Guys, our paths have never been illuminated as more than ever than in this point in time, okay? It's freedom time, guys. It's freedom. And we're not going to allow the mainstream media to taint the word freedom. We're going to keep it pure because we know what it means. From within to without, guys, I love you so much. I love you. Let's hold the line with love.